Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Textastic app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Textastic is a powerful code and text editor designed specifically for iOS and macOS devices. It supports syntax highlighting for over 80 programming languages including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Swift, Python, and more. It's tailored for developers, writers, and anyone working with code or structured text, offering features like tabbed editing, a built-in WebDAV server, and seamless iCloud integration for syncing across Apple devices. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is praised for its speed, clean user interface, and wide file format support. Users appreciate the external keyboard compatibility and smooth file navigation. FTP, SFTP, and Dropbox support make it convenient for remote file access and editing. For mobile developers or coders on the go, it serves as a reliable tool with desktop-level functionality packed into a mobile app. That said, it's not without flaws. Some users mention the lack of built-in Git support and occasional limitations when editing very large files. Others wish for real-time collaborative editing features or terminal access, which are missing in the current version. Still, it excels as a standalone code editor, especially for Apple users who need a responsive, portable environment. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Textastic is worth using if you're a developer or power user seeking a fast, versatile code editor on iOS or macOS. It combines performance, portability, and compatibility with a user-friendly design. While not a full IDE replacement, it's one of the best code editors available for Apple's mobile ecosystem. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.